Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to have a look at an absolute bit of classic ABBA pop for you. I had a lot of requests for more ABBA after the Winner Takes It All tutorial I did a little while back. Okay, so this time we're going to have a look at the classic tune I Have a Dream. It's also sometimes known as I Believe in Angels, you might have heard it called before, but a bit of classic ABBA pop for you. Very, very straightforward song, real simple, won't give you any problems, even if you're a complete beginner, probably one of the simplest songs you could do. Okay, it's just got three chords, E, D and A in this one. But before we even go through the chords, the first thing I want you to do is just to get a capo and put it on the first fret. Okay, this is so we can play the exact key as the ABBA version, yeah, it'll be a cap on the first fret. But like I always say with my tutorials, if you have a different key to your voice, a different pitch of your voice, you might want to try experimenting with the capo on different frets, or you might want to play it without a capo, just depending on the range of your voice. But for the original ABBA version, we want a capo on the first fret. Okay, and also, like I always say in my tutorials, if you already know the chords E, D and A major, you may want to just skip the video. You can see the running order on the side. You may want to skip the video forward so you can just play along with the simple verse and chorus sections to the ABBA song. But if you need to know the chords, without further ado, let's just get on. Okay, first of all, we want to learn E major. Okay, for this one, we get our first finger on the third string in the first fret. The next finger goes on the fifth string in the second fret, and the next finger goes just underneath that on the fourth string on the second fret. And for E major, we want to connect, we want to strum all the strings. Okay? Next chord is A major, nice and simple. Okay, all we want to do is first finger on the fourth string in the second fret. Next finger goes right underneath that on the third string in the second fret. And the next finger goes underneath that on the second string in the second fret. Okay, and with this one we're trying to avoid the sixth string, the bass E, and we're just trying to hit the 5 below. Okay, there's A major. Okay, next up, last chord is a D. D major. Okay, for this one, we've got our first finger on the third string in the second fret. Next finger goes in the second fret, right at the bottom on the first string. Okay, and the next finger goes on the third fret on the second string. And for the D, we're trying to avoid hitting the two top strings, the E and the A, the 6th and the 5th strings, just the 4 strings below. Okay, so if you are new to those chords, you might want to spend a little bit of time going through them, practicing, getting those changes nice and comfortable. Okay, but let's move straight on and have a look at the song now with a very simple strumming pattern. Okay, so first of all, okay, the song just starts off with the little intro. You might have a little bit of an instrumental that basically toggles between the A and just the E major, as does the verse. So if we try a very simple strumming pattern, just try nice and slow, but maybe just a kind of down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, E, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, back to A, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, E, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, just that simple pattern. Okay, and that is how the verse goes. So, like I said, the intro you'll hear as soon as the song starts with an A, it has the kind of the instrumental bit where you just got the A, and then just a little change down to the E. Nice and easy, and then back to the A, and then the vocal comes in. Da, da, E to down, up, down, up, down, back to A, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, back to E, down, down, up, down, up, down, change to A, down, down, up, down, up, down, back to E, down, down, up, down, up, down, change to A. Very simple, all the way through the verse. Back to E, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, change to A, and then the chorus. I believe in angels, E, 2, 3, and change to the D, to back to A. I believe in angels, E, and then an E, something good in D, down, down, up, back to A. Have a dream to the E, and Okay, so that is how simple that song is. Okay, we'll just try that one more time. So you basically got the verse section, like I said, that just toggles between the A and the E, the A and the E a couple of times, and then you've got the chorus section where you just got the E, the D, and the A. Very, very straightforward. So let's go from the verse again. Chords obviously will be coming up on the side of the screen, so like I said, just nice and easy, just try playing along. Okay, we'll go from the very beginning bit where you do get, like I said, that little bit of a musical interlude right at the beginning. So the A. Bum, 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 ba, da, 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 change to E. Do, 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 do. And then the verse kicks in. Da, da, E, 2, 3, 4, E. Change to A, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, back to E, down, down, up, down, up, down, change to A, down, down, up, down, down, still the verse, to E, to down, up, down, up, down, back to A, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 to E, 2, 3, 4, down, change to A, right, chorus, I believe in E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, change to D, 2, 3, and A, la 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 la, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, change to D, and then to an A, change to E, 2, 3, 4, D, and back to A, 3, 4, the dream, a song to sing. Okay, and that is pretty much the whole song. That's the way it goes through. Okay, there's a few little links where it hangs on the E for a little bit longer, or the A. Like I said, there's an instrumental bit at the beginning, but it's as simple as that there. Real classic bit of ABBA. Very straightforward. Keep learning it. It's very popular at some of the open mic nights. A lot of people like playing that one. Give it a try, it'll sound great. And I'll see you soon for more great guitar tunes. Thanks, bye.